We are at the very beginning of a new epoch for humanity. In an analogous way to how the printing press revolutionized our access to and use of knowledge, our computers' ever-increasing power, speed, and connectivity will deliver, amongst other things, profound changes in machine learning and artificial intelligence. Welcome to The Systems Thinker, a video series to help you know the whole, focus on the constraint, and reach your goal. There are elements of AI and ML that are genuinely terrifying. But it's also the case that we can put those technologies into play to do the work of making our world of work a better place. Imagine an ocean of data made up of all the work done by whom, on what, with what skill set. Then, let loose a machine learning algorithm to see patterns even our most adept programmers couldn't query in a month of Sundays. Let's call this survey of all that work hindsight. Now, turn up to the day of operations and know exactly who's available with what skills to perform all of the work scheduled for the day. And know where the constraint is to optimize the enterprise's net present value and create a dynamic resource marketplace accordingly. Let's call that insight. When you're done with that, let the AI loose on all the work we have in the pipeline for tomorrow and the week, month, year, and decade that follow. Then, let it loose on the workforce planning required to accomplish all that is forecast and the materials needed to sustain the digitally twinned plant and equipment which that workforce maintains. Let's call this foresight. Hindsight, insight, foresight. Used wisely, it's a powerful vision for the use of AI and ML to serve all of humankind. My course for systems thinkers explores how to envision quantum work management and thus contribute significantly to delivering consistently high-performance results over the long haul. To learn more and experience what I mean, click the link in the comments below.